guys, welcome back. So today I will be showing you how to replace, or not really replace, but figure out how your truck has a misfire on 2008 Silverado. So if you're looking here, this on your driver's side front cylinder is gonna be that's going to be cylinder 1. Then the opposite side is cylinder 2. And then back to this side will be cylinder 3, the second one back, and then back and forth. So, if you guys are having like a misfire on whatever cylinder, that's just look it up or something. And then so I'm going to set you up real quick. And then set you up on a tripod. I'll show you what's going on. Okay, so we're gonna need 10mm wrench or socket, whatever one. Either one works, unless your vehicle has a different size. I don't know. And then, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the coil pack off by disassembling this here. A little bit tight. There we go. We just broke that free. Now we're going to undo that. And then we're going to swap this coil pack out with cylinder 2. And then check the scanner. And then see what happens. So I really need a magnetic dish for all these nuts and bolts and stuff. Right at the top of the motor is going to be my engine or my nut and bolt holder. I don't know how well you can see that. It's not too bad for you. And then really got much to undo. And then now what you want to do is take the plug out and then take the top plug out, just like that, simple. And oh, where's my ladder? I can't find my ladder. Get down, oh, I see it. Okay, here's the coil pack. It's got 4 plugs in there. Here's the other end. So now what we'll do is take either cylinder 3 out or cylinder 2. I think we're going to do cylinder 2 because it's just the easiest one to get to. So don't get these mixed up as you're taking them off. Set them on the top of the motor. You can see right there, that's where it's at. And then, alright, let's go to the opposite side. Let me just tilt my camera up a little. Oh, tripod's falling. Alright, there we go. Let's do the other side now. That's somewhere back there. I don't even. You know what? Let's take cylinder 3 out. Because there's all sorts of stuff covering cylinder 2. So I don't know how well you can hear me. I have a new microphone, but I don't know how good it's working. There we go. Let's go to 2. And there shouldn't be that much to do. hose is in the way. Not hose, it's their wires. That nut is going to be real hard to get to. Oh, I'll get back with you once I get this off, because this is going to take a little bit. So, okay, cylinder 2 is loose. Let's unplug it. Alright, there we go. Cylinder 2 is unplugged. Now what I'm going to do is plug it into cylinder 1. Plug in. Bottom. Plug in. Now we'll put 2 bolts back in. And do it to the other one. And we'll see what happens. If nothing happens, that means it could be a spark plug or your wire. I already switched over the wires, so that's not the problem. So it's either my spark plug or the coil pack. And I hope it's a spark plug, because I got spark plugs in my head. This coil pack cost around $15 each. So, alright, let's plug in this coil pack now. Ah, it's kind of hard to reach this one. Alright, well, hold up. Let me come back with you now after I get this coil plugged in, because that is too far back there for me to grab. So, okay, so cylinders have been switched. Now we'll plug in the scanner and see what happens. If it still says cylinder 1, that means it's the spark plug. So, let's get you out of the end bay here. Let's set my tools on the ground so nothing falls. Just on the ground for now. And one more. That one right there. Alright, so hold on. I'm trying to tighten up this so you don't keep. There we go. It's tight now. Let's start her up and see what's going down. Extend the tripod's blades. It's gonna take a second. Don't mind me taking a second just to get these legs out. Okay. Now, alright. Let's get this scanner plugged in. So there's a, you guys don't know, there's a plug right here for the scanner. I don't know if you can see that. It's right there. So now we're going to start up the truck. And let's get out. Show you. focus. Click on read DTC. Cylinder 1 misfire detected. It's not focusing one bit. Cylinder 1 misfire detected. Which means I need a new spark plug. I just did all that work for nothing. That's okay. Good video for you guys. So now you know how to check and see if your coil pack is bad. Just swap it over. And so yeah, cylinder 1 misfire. Let's go press exit. And then actually wait, hold up. Clear. Okay, yes. Clearing codes. Now we go back over here. And now we're gonna turn off the truck. And then unplug this. Re-plug it back in. And then start it back up. Click on hold up. Read. Okay. No codes are stored. Okay, we're good. I just need a spark plug. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.